In this lab video, you will learn how to remove a field from real-time streaming data using a field remover processor. In enterprise data environments, even small inconsistencies can lead to reporting errors, compliance risks, and reduced data trust. Fields like credit card expiration dates, especially when formatted differently across regions, can introduce ambiguity and unnecessary complexity into your datasets. To maintain clean, reliable data, organizations must identify and remove fields that do not add value or introduce inconsistency. Let's begin by creating the data flow. Create a new data flow and name it Remove a Field from Kafka. Once the canvas opens, add a Kafka multi-topic consumer as the source and configure it. In the connection panel, set the broker URI to Kafka :1992. Enter online stock code JSON in the topic list. In the data format panel, set the data format to JSON. Once complete, click Save. Now search for and add the field remover stage to the canvas. At this point, you know a field needs to be removed, but you may not know its exact name, and you don't yet have access to the schema. This is where the preview feature becomes especially useful. Before running a preview, we need to update the consumer group. Select the Kafka source and enter a new value in the consumer group field. This step is important. Kafka tracks the position of consumed records using offsets. Since this data flow may have been run earlier, the offset is likely already at the end of the topic. As a result, no records would be available during preview. By creating a new consumer group, you reset the offset to the beginning, allowing the data flow to read records from the start of the topic again. Click Save to continue. Now we're ready to run a preview. Let's preview and verify the records. Next, search for and add a Kafka producer as the target, then configure it. Previously, we did not exit the preview, so you can still see the preview results here. You can either exit the preview to configure the stage, or configure the stage and rerun the preview. In this case, I'll exit the preview first, and then configure the stage. In the connection panel, set the broker URI to Kafka :1992. Set the topic to Online Sales Kafka. Once complete, click Save. Let's run the preview again and verify the details. The preview processes the first 10 records. Click on each stage to view the data at every step. Once you've finished reviewing, click Exit Preview. Click the Field Remover stage again and ensure Remove Listed Fields is selected from the Action drop-down list. Click the Fields drop-down list. The full schema will appear in a menu. Scroll down and select Credit Card Expiration Date. Once done, click Save to continue. Run the preview again and observe the results. You'll notice that the Credit Card Expiration Date field is no longer present in the records. This confirms that the field has been successfully removed from the data flow. In this lesson, you learned how to remove an unnecessary field using the field remover processor to improve data quality and consistency. In the next video, you'll build on this approach and explore additional techniques to further refine and control your data as it moves through a data flow. Let's continue to the next lesson and keep building.